Are you a student struggling to keep up with your lessons? Or a parent searching for a reliable educational resource that truly cares? You've come to the right place. Welcome to FEUNIX Distinctions, your premier channel for educational content designed for every learner. We understand the silent struggles that often go unnoticed, the frustration of slow-paced learners, and the need for solid foundations for all students. At FEUNIX Distinctions, we don't just teach. We are dedicated to guiding you every step of the way. Our teaching style is unique, simple, and incredibly effective. We make complex concepts easy to grasp and ensure that every lesson is both suitable and enjoyable, no matter your learning pace. Whether you're a fast learner looking for a new challenge or an average learner aiming to excel, our comprehensive methodology is built to support you. Join a community where no one is left behind. Subscribe to FEUNIX Distinctions today and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's make learning an exciting journey together.
I welcome you all to today's class. This is JSS1 Mathematics, and we're moving on to Lesson 6, a new topic. Our topic is large and small numbers. We are going to do it one by one. This is large and small number. We're starting with large numbers. So what are large numbers? Large numbers are those numbers that have very big value. We are going to write some examples of large numbers, those numbers with big value. Here a name, and then this is the value. Numbers like 1,000. Does 1,000 have big value? Yes. What's the value? 1 with 3 zeros. Numbers like 1,000,000. 1,000,000 have 1 with 6 zeros. The next one bigger than this is 1,000,000,000. 1,000,000,000 is 1 with 9 zeros. Let me just add one more big number after billion is trillion. A trillion is 1 with how many zeros? 1 with 12 zeros. These are examples of big numbers or large numbers. So under this topic, we are going to learn how to read large numbers. Sometimes they could give you large numbers, and reading those large numbers could be so difficult. But when we follow a specific rule, it becomes very simple. So reading, that is our subtopic. Reading and writing large numbers. Example 1. Write the number 870 261 4235. 870 261 4235. To read this number could be a bit difficult, but if we follow a specific rule, it becomes simple. This is the rule. We are going to share the numbers 3, and we are going to start from the beginning. This is where we usually start the counting. We share it in threes. At the time we share it in threes, we can be able to count it and then say it in words. We use comma. After every 3, after counting 3, we use comma. of most recent time, we don't even use comma. We just make a gap between them. So here is it, 1 2 3 comma, this is the first 3, 1 2 3 comma, 1 2 3 comma. So that is it. We have shared it, 3 3 3. So the first 3 is the 100 parts. That is the 100 parts. The second 3 is the 1000 parts. That is the 1000 parts. The next 3 is the million parts. This is the million parts. Then this is the billion parts. Yes, that's it. The first 3 is the 100 part, 1000 part. This is the 100 part. This is the 1000 part. This is the million part, and this is the billion. If you share it like this, it becomes very easy to call this number. So if I want to call this number now in words, I will start with this 8. This 8 will now be what? 8 billion. Then this 702 will be what? The million part. And this is 1000. So this is 8 billion 702 million 614,235. 235, because this is the 100 parts. So let me write it in words. 8 billion 702 million 614,000 235. That is it. Let's solve more examples. Example 2. In example 2, we are going to look at digits and words. Digits and words. Let's solve this. What do the numbers in the following headlines stand for? A. Food imports. Rise to 1 billion naira. B. Oil production. Oil production is now 2.3 million barrels. C. Floods in India. 0.6 million homeless. Let's solve these three examples. Solution A. 1 billion. 1 billion means 1 times a billion, and 1 times anything is that thing. If it is 2 billion, to be 2 times a billion, that will be 2 billion. So this one, there is no any serious work to do. 1 billion is 1 times a billion, that is 1 billion. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 is the second one that we're going to do a little work. 2.3 million. 2.3 million. We are going to work on this 2.3 million and then write it in words. 2.3 million means 2.3 times a million. 2.3 times a million. This is it. You will shift this decimal out so that it will become 23. And as you shift this decimal once, you will cancel 1 0 here. So you'll be having 23 times 1. Remaining how many zeros now? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. 23 times 1 with 5 zeros. That will be 23. You will now join the zeros to the 23. Because 23 times 1 is still 23. How many zeros are here? The zeros are 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So if you want to pronounce this number well, as usual, you put your commas starting from the back here. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. Yes. So this is the 100 part, this is the 1000 parts, and this is the million part. So that will be 2,300,000. We don't have any number here, it's just zeros. That will be 2,300,000. Please take note of this. We say 2.3 million. When we work on 2.3 million, our answer is 2,300,000. 2.3 million is the same thing as 2,300,000 after the work. The last example, example 3, that is C. Floods in India, 0.6 million homeless. 0.6 million. Let's work on this 0.6 million. That will be 0.6 times a million. 0.6 times 1 million. Yes. So this decimal will move, is moving once for this place to become a whole number. And as it moves once, you cancel 1 0. The number of times it moves, that's the number of zeros you cancel. So now that the decimal have moved out, this place is now 6 times 1 with how many zeros? How many zeros will be remaining? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 6 times this number will be 6 with the same numbers of 0, 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. Then you put your commas from here. Let's start 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. This is the 100 parts, this is the 1000 part. So what is this? We have 600,000 because this is the 1000 part. This is the 100 part, this is the 1000 part. So this is 600,000. 600,000. So I'm going to leave you with work as your assignments. You will do this assignment for me. Follow the same procedure. The assignment says express the following numbers in digits and words. Number 1, 0.4 billion. Number 2, 2.1 trillion. Number 3, 0.45 million. Just 3 questions, that is okay. Do this work, then we meet in lesson 7, and that is what we are going to look at, your answers. I'm going to give the correct answer, then you compare it with your answer, then you will know if you are a mathematician or not. So don't forget to go in for the next lesson, lesson 7. That is where we are going to treat these very assignments. Then you will know if you are correct or you are not. So thank you very much. I will always encourage you to click the subscription button. Also click like and share so that you will always be informed whenever there is a new video. Have a nice day.